Okay, so here we are working on assignment PJ03, the L bracket. When we come into the part here, we'll turn on our right plane, and we want our front plane. And then we'll go to Extruded Boss Base and select the right plane, and it automatically shows you the view. And we'll quick sketch. Looks a little bit like this, this. Okay. So here we have to do, there's a few relations. So something that you need to learn for doing this project, this assignment, and the next one is add relations, and this constrains things so they don't move around. So you want to select, you want add relation, select the line, and see if we can get it to snap to the, oh, I know what's wrong, because it doesn't see that. It's the top plane. So you want to select the top plane. So line 5, top plane, that's your bottom here, and just hit collinear. And that should constrain, so the line turned black. It should constrain it. And then you want to do the same thing here, add relation. You go to that one, collinear, and it went to there, so that turned black. So now you got to check your dimensions. There's a 2 inches up here, so 2. There's 2.5 from here to here, 2.5, and then this one is 1. So you want to go from the line to the dot. There you go. We said that was 1, right? Yeah. Okay. And that's all we need to do, I believe. So they're not an overall length, overall width. Yeah, there's an overall width. So we'll go here to here, and that's supposed to be 3. And okay, now everything's constrained. Everything's black lines. So you hit the check up here in the right-hand corner, and you'll extrude it. You want to do this 4.5 inches. And it goes all the way out there. And you'll hit the check. And now you've got your first section. Then you go, you do, yeah, the next step is you're going to do a cut. So you'll do an extruded cut. You'll select the top face of the extrusion here. Go ahead and show that view here. You'll draw a line like so. Make sure that it goes outside of the part so that it guarantees that it will remove the material that you want to remove. And all we need to worry about is this dimension right here, which according to the drawing here is half an inch. It's kind of hard to tell because he doesn't really say. He's got the thickness of the part is 0.75 inches, and the width of the part is half an inch. So it's either a half or a 3/4. He doesn't really say. I'm gonna roll with half. And you'll do the cut. And oops. So that's too far. What you want is you want to come over here and say 2.5 minus 0.75, and it gives you the number that you need, and then that's it. Just hit OK, and there's your cut. And then the next step, we're gonna do the cutout. So again, click on that surface and do an extrude cut. We'll go to the top here. Okay, we'll just select that. And then we'll just draw a little rectangle or whatnot here. Come over there. Get those to line up there. Just like so. Hit escape. And then you need your dimension here to be half. Okay. And you need your dimension here to be half. So, and then there's another dimension, the depth of it. So you want to go from this surface to this, right there. That's 1.5. And that's all you need to worry about there. So you'll hit the check, and what just happened? Here we go. Okay. And then you come to direction and just say up to next, and it'll go to the next face, and then hit the check. There's your cut. So we're getting closer to the final part. And finally, we have a circle. Come over here again, extruded cut, and top view. It's a circle, so we can just put it wherever we want. It's 0.75. 0.75. 75. And then 1.5 to the edge. And 2.5 to the other edge. And everything's constrained. The circle turns black. And those are our dimensions, so you'll hit the check again. And make sure you go up to next. And it'll give you the cut to the next face. Hit the check, and there's your part. So this should be. I modeled it a little while ago, and that's what it should look like. I kind of did it a different way here, but it's the same kind of concept that you should get for this one. Okay, let's move on to the next project.